Section 1. Send coins. So far, we have explored all the drop-down menus. We have also explored dashboard, transaction, and staking. Now it is the turn to explore send menu. Let's click it. Get another wallet to send some coins, and copy its address. And paste it here. A label is optional, but it helps to keep track the address. We are going to use a label for this example. Enter the amount to be sent. Note that there is a small fee for processing this transaction. Then click Send. Enter the passphrase. And click Done. Altitude Wallet will display a message for the transaction. The coin's balance has been updated accordingly. Checking on transaction, the payment is being confirmed and the coins can be used by the receiving wallet in a few minutes. One bad news: by sending the coins, we have turned our staking back to the 960 confirmations stage. The icon has turned red. It may be a good strategy to create multiple accounts in a wallet, in case you plan to send some coins, but not to risk resetting your staking status. Section 2. Block Explorer. During previous section, we have sent out some coins. All transaction record can be accessed at Block Explorer. This shows the example for block number 50495. Sidetrack a little bit from Altitude, there is another place to check the transaction. Explorer.metrixcoin.com. Enter the destination address here, and then press Enter. The transaction list and other information for this address is displayed. The 1000 MRX sent earlier is the most recent transaction, with only 3 confirmations.